The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and you'll get your legs freaky strong. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a weight. You're gonna do an alternating reverse lunge to forward lunge. Now, typically the way I'll coach this is if my left leg's gonna be the one that's in front on the reverse, I'm gonna keep the weight in my right hand throughout. And then you would, flip it depending on what you're going after. So like if my right leg, I would switch to the other side. That's gonna help me get more internal as I go here. So it's gonna help me turn left. And then when I step forward, it's gonna help me, again, turn left when I have it in the right side. So that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna make sure you get a slight tuck. Exhale so you get the lower rib cage into position. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna inhale, step down into a reverse lunge. So for that, I'm gonna take a slight step back. I don't want a big stance. Slight step back, take a knee and tap, exhale. You're gonna step forward and switch to a forward lunge. Again, making sure the stance isn't too big. You want, when you're doing these, with the front leg, knees going forward, the back leg is dropping straight down, and you're gonna alternate back and forth between those two positions. So it's gonna look like this. So I'm here, inhale, exhale. Just like that. From the front, other things to note, my knee's always gonna stay centered, so I'm not gonna let it cave in or cave out. And typically what I'm gonna do is when I step, if my left leg is in front, I'm gonna bring the left arm back. When I do the reverse lunge, bring it forward on the forward lunge. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.